What's going on, YouTube? Back out at one of my spots here in the California Delta. A little bit windy, but not as hot as it's been lately. We're in the upper 80s today. Expecting some wind. It's really low tide right now, but you're gonna have an incoming tide, which really, hopefully, should spur some fish activity. So, hoping to get in on a couple of fish. Hopefully, some decent sized ones. There are times for me when I go out fishing and I can throw the kitchen sink at all of the right spots, all of the right conditions, and for some reason I just can't hook up with anything really decent. And this day was not too much different. I tried everything. I was going with the Surefire wacky rig. I was punching heavy cover. I was doing just about everything, and I caught a couple of little fish, kind of like this guy. You'll see him swipe right about now. He swipes at it, and I end up hooking up with them, but little tiny guy. And then really that's what I was catching. I was catching little fish, and I think I only caught 2 or 3. But I just kept after it, throwing the Texas rig, the punch rig, throwing a spinnerbait, throwing that wacky rig. Finally, things changed around for me. My luck changed. So finally, I caught a fish that might be a keeper. He ain't that big, but he might be a keeper. So that is a bonus. And just like the past few nights, things are starting to heat up as the sun's going down. So maybe that's the pattern lately out here. Maybe I need to just start fishing at night, you know? I don't know. And that's kind of been the pattern for me lately. About a half an hour before sunset, things start kicking off for me where I've been fishing. And today would turn out to be pretty much the same. Is it a good fish? I think, yeah, that's a good fish. He's not huge, but he's decent. Not bad. Okay. That's a big fish. Ooh, that's a big fish. Where is he? Oh my gosh. This is a big fish. Ooh. Whoa. Oh my gosh, you guys. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. He swallowed it. No. Side of the mouth. barely hooked. Oh my gosh, you guys. This is a good fish. Come on, buddy. Come on. Oh my gosh. Bucket mouth. The hook went through. I think it hooked on the net and then went through right in the upper lip. A black flake Senko or stick bait. It's a Stanko. I'm gonna get a weight on this guy because he is big. This could be a new PB. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Nope, not even a new PB. But still, look at this fish, you guys. 6 pounds, 3 ounces. Oh yeah, look at this fish. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. On the Mela too, and the Phantom rod. Oh my gosh, you guys. You have no idea how stoked I am about this. So stoked. I mean, look at that fish in there. Look at him. Beautiful fish, beautiful fish. I guess it just kind of goes to show, like, you got to stick with it. I fished all of this water, caught a couple dinks, started getting a little bit better size, and then bam, this big one hits. Awesome. Nothing too spectacular on the release. Whew. Sweet. Man. Alright, I'm gonna keep after it. That was a good freaking fish. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna keep fishing. Probably gonna be kind of hard to see. Oh, damn. It's probably gonna be hard to see much of anything that I'm doing. So I'm kind of thinking I'm gonna keep recording. You might get some audio. I don't know. We'll see what happens, but might as well do the outro now. Thank you guys for watching. This was one of those lessons learned for me. I just missed the fish. Oh, I got him still. He's a little guy. Like I was saying though, a lesson learned for me, and that you just don't give up, you know what I mean? Don't get discouraged and head back to the truck. Keep plugging away, little guy. And things could heat up, things could change. A condition that is, you know, keeping the bass holding in one position could be eliminated. Something could spur them to want to start feeding, and that was the case, it seems, tonight. And it's been the case for me a few nights in a row now. So just something to keep in mind. So here I'm trying to chat about a meetup that I'm trying to plan, and then I keep catching fish. Oh my gosh! Come here, fishy. Oh my gosh. Just keep catching these fish. I gotta put this one on the board. I don't know if he's gonna help me in one of my tournaments or not. So I decided to stick around for the long haul. Got my safety stuff all set up with my light. Figured I'd be fishing in the dark, and that's pretty much what I did. And the fish just kept biting. I caught a ton of fish over the next couple of hours in the dark. It was a full moon, just beautiful out. And the fish were biting. Okay, so I got a fish. He's not big, but he's decent. Let's see, come here. Yeah, not bad, not bad. I capped it off with a 19-incher at around 11:30, and that's when I decided to call it a night. I'm glad I stuck with it. I had a blast fishing under that full moon. Alright guys, if you liked the video, click that thumbs up button, subscribe, comment down below, and as always, thanks for getting out west with Chris.